Thank you for your purchase of the Kingdom Smoky Gray acrylic stand. This video has been created to help you to assemble the stand with ease. Just follow the simple steps that you see on the screen. All you will need is a flathead screwdriver. It would also be helpful to have a small razor knife or a pair of scissors to open up the boxes and unwrap the packaging material. The Kingdom Smoky Gray acrylic stand comes in two boxes. In the long box, you will find the column, and in the smaller box, you will find a package of 8 screws as well as the top and bottom of the stand. The top and bottom are identical. Remove the packaging material and stand the column on end. Have 4 screws and your screwdriver ready. When assembling the top and bottom, place the side up with the holes that are countersunk so that the screw head will sit flush to the surface. Place the bottom onto the end of the column and line up the screw holes. Now hand tighten a screw to each of the 4 screw holes. Use your screwdriver to tighten the screws. Once you have completed tightening the screws, flip the column over and repeat the procedure with the top of the stand. You have now completed the assembly of your Kingdom Smoky Gray acrylic stand and are ready to have many years of enjoyment.